Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Moomoo app on your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up a web browser, go to Google and type in Moomoo, hit enter. Now we want to scroll down, click onto moomoo.com. Now once you're on the official page of Moomoo, we want to go ahead and download it. So if we look at the top right hand corner, it says download. Go ahead and hover over download and click on the download now button. Now while that's downloading, go ahead and create an account as well. So I'm going to log out and then click on the sign up login button. And now you can sign up using your email or phone number, or you can sign up using any one of your social media accounts. I'm going to use Google, so I'm going to click continue as Google. Alright, so this is still downloading, so it's about 300 odd megabytes in size. So I'm going to pause this video and get back to you once that is finished downloading. Alright, so it's finished downloading, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up by clicking onto it. If it doesn't appear there, just go to your download section on your computer and open it up. Then from there, click yes. I'm going to minimize this. Alright, and then we need to choose the location where you like Moomoo to be installed. I'm going to keep it there. You can click browse to change paths. Click on I've read and the terms and then click install. And it's going to go ahead and install it on your PC. And it'll say installed, welcome to Moomoo. Go ahead and click on open. Then from here, simply log into your account using your email address, phone number, password, or your socials. So I'm going to log in with my Google account. Once you put in your email, password, two-step verification. So choose how you want to sign in. So I'm going to use my phone number here. And put in your code, click next. Make sure you put in your code correctly. That should work now. Continue. That's going to log you in. Alright, once you're logged in, you'll come to Moomoo and you'll see this screen.